Hello everyone, welcome to Technosavvys Education Technology. Today we are going to talk about C programming. C programming is a powerful and widely used programming language that has been around several decades. C programming was developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs in early 1970s. It is descended from the B programming language and was designed to be low level and efficient. C is a procedural programming language. It follows a linear flow of control from one statement to the next. It is well suited for developing system software such as operating system and embedded systems. C programs are highly portable. They can be run on different platforms with minimal modifications. C has a simple and concise syntax, making it relatively easy to learn for beginners. It uses a combination of keywords, operators, and symbols to write codes. C supports a variety of data types including int, float, double, char, and more. Developers can define custom data types using structures and unions. Pointers are a fundamental concept in C, allowing developers to work with memory addresses and manipulate data at low level. Pointer arithmetic is a powerful feature for handling arrays and structures. C uses functions to organize code into modular and reusable units. Functions can have parameters and return values, contributing to the modularity of the language. C comes with the standard libraries that provide functions for common tasks like input-output, string manipulation, and mathematical operations. C supports file input and output operations, making it suitable for tasks involving reading from and writing to files. The processor in C allows for conditional compilation and inclusion of header files. Macros are used for code expansion. C has been used in the development of various software applications including operating systems, example Unix, game development, embedded systems, and more. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.